Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So boy have I got a video for you guys to watch today, because we are taking my good friend Chris's 1997 Mazda RX7 FD up for its remap and dyno runs today. So we're going to have plenty of dyno runs to see, so there's going to be lots and lots of noise. Now just a little background of Chris's build without going too much into detail, because we just want to get on with today's video. It is a 1997 Bathurst X edition, so it's a limited edition model. He's currently had the car off the road for the past year and a half because the previous engine had a water seal failure. So the engine's been ripped out, it's been completely rebuilt. It's got a half Bridgeport now running on the engine. He's used all of the Hall-Tech stuff, so custom Hall-Tech wiring, ECU. He's got a Garrett GT35 turbo on it with all the uprated stuff to go with that, and everything else has been uprated along with that. And like I said, I will go over the entire spec fully in a different video with Chris's permission. But yeah, today's video is the dyno runs, as I say. Chris is not chasing figures for the RX7, he just wants a nice reliable brake horsepower so he can just enjoy his build basically. So we are thinking or hoping around 450 brake horsepower with the Garrett GT35 turbo. That is more than enough power, that's the ultimate sweet spot as people say. But yeah, his RX7 is extremely loud. It's definitely twice as loud as my one. I can't even hear my car running when he starts his up, put it that way. So yeah, definitely sit back, enjoy today's video. Let's start heading there now anyway and see what today brings. Just stopped off at the fuel station. We're halfway now to the place that we're going, and yeah, let's make our way back to where we were. So we are here at Surrey Rolling Roads currently. We may have a bit of a problem with getting Chris's RX7 FD dyno today, because it's apparently about 30 degrees, the guy just said, inside of the unit, which can have massive effects on the actual results itself. They don't want to push the engine to its limits basically to get the full potential. We're currently waiting for the correct guy that's going to do Chris's dynos for him. He should be here in the next sort of 10 minutes. Fingers crossed they can get something going today for him, because we've just driven all this way. So yeah, we're just gonna have to wait, and I'll give you guys an update in a bit. So at the moment it's not looking too good, because you can hear and see on the graph that when the boost goes up to around 6,000 RPM, it just entirely drops to the bottom and it just fuel cuts. So at this stage we're unsure what the hell is going on, but keep watching because all will be explained.
doing this.
So really, before it should be going like that. It should be going like
400 brake horsepower plus.
400, yeah. Peaking should be around about 8. So, yeah, that's where it was heading.
So we've got to come back then.
So as you can see then, Marco was just explaining to us guys exactly what has been happening there with the boosting issues on the graph. You can see the RX7's off the dyno currently, but you can see it coming back in. The reason being is because we thought that was going to be it for the day, because it's thrown up 2 crank sensor issues on the Haltech software. The engine builder was then contacted, which he seems to think that it's not that, it's a Haltech issue, like a hidden setting or something. But Marco, being the kind guy that he is, he then said, we'll get the RX7 back onto the dyno now and we'll do a few more pulls of the day and see what happens. So yeah, here are the rest of the pulls that I got on the GoPro footage for the rest of the day. Now, unfortunately, we're still getting the same 2 crank sensor issues coming up on the Haltech software, which only means one thing: we have to head back and come back on another day. So the car is currently running 324.2 brake horsepower, which, just remember, is nowhere near its full potential for this type of turbo build. But yeah, Chris is just going to have to sort this out with his engine builder. Then we're just going to have to come back on a different day, and fingers crossed all goes to plan next time. Oh shit. shit.
Yeah, that's hotboxed.